Welcome to Date Night with Michelle and Doug. On the menu tonight, we are making Fesenjan. Fesenjan is a Persian dish. It is stewed chicken that's soaked in pomegranate juice and walnuts, so it's sweet and nutty at the same time. Our take on it today will feature chicken that will be seasoned with nutmeg and garlic to give it a savory, sweet flavor, pomegranate juice, walnuts for the nutty texture, and it'll be over saffron rice, and broccolini on the side. So this dish is typically sweet, but with our take today, hopefully it gets a little bit more savory. We're also adding some cayenne in there, so there'll be a little bit of spice to kind of round out the flavors a little bit more. So babe, what's actually good about this dish?
Well, thank you to my coworker Sharon Zarabi, who's Persian, and she told me to try it out. So I'm so glad we're doing this recipe tonight. There's so many health benefits in this recipe. We're using saffron, right? And we're also using walnuts. So saffron and walnuts are both a great source of manganese. Manganese is a trace mineral that helps with calcium absorption and the formation of your bone and collagen. We're also using pomegranate seeds. Yay! We've used pomegranate seeds before in the past, so you want to probably check on the link above to see where we've used it. But pomegranate is a great source of potassium. We know that potassium helps with muscle function and a normal heart rhythm, and it's also essential to regulate your blood pressure. So there's so many great health benefits with this dish. It's going to be so delicious, so many different complexities of flavor and texture. So we have to go make it right now.
Let's go make it. Let's do it.
Alright, let's get started. So we're going to take our walnuts and put them in a food processor. Please see below for the measurements. And then we're going to grind it. We're going to put the Crockpot on high.
We'll prep our chicken breast by seasoning on both sides with the seasoning mix that you will find the ingredients for down below. In a saucepan with olive oil, we will add in our chicken and brown on each side for about 3 to 5 minutes.
We have more olive oil heated up in our crock pot, and we're going to add our diced onion, our powdery walnut. We're going to add some water just to make sure it forms like a paste. We'll mix that all together. Now we'll add a squeeze of lemon juice, our pomegranate juice, tomato paste, honey, salt and black pepper, cayenne, and turmeric. Again, please see below for the measurements, and then add some bay leaves. We'll mix that all together. We'll add some fresh pomegranate seeds. Once that's all mixed, we'll add our pieces of chicken. We'll cover and let that simmer for about 4 to 5 hours.
To a pot, we will add water, brown rice, salt, and saffron for the flavor. Mix well, cover and cook for 15 to 20 minutes. In another pan with olive oil, we will add chopped garlic, adding in our broccolini after the garlic is fragrant, and cooking for about 7 to 10 minutes.
The kitchen smells amazing and our Fesenjan is all done, so now it's time to plate. First we'll put down our saffron basmati brown rice. On top of that we'll add our portion of our Fesenjan. Look how beautiful that looks. And then of course on our side we'll have our garlic broccolini. For more flavor and texture we're going to add some pomegranate seeds and some parsley. Enjoy! Alright, our Fesenjan is all done. I hope we're pronouncing that right. If anyone's Persian, let us know we're pronouncing it wrong. But thank you again for my coworker Sharon for the recipe. We're so excited to have this. It looks so delicious. It smells so good. The whole apartment smells amazing. So let me stop talking.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Ooh.
What do you want for first? Everything. And shredded so beautifully.
Wow.
Okay. Wait, I didn't even take any.
That was a punch to my flavor tongue profile.
Whoa.
Oh.
Hold on.
Wait, one more.
Yeah, I want another one. The pomegranate seeds on top gives a good texture.
Wow. Okay, let me talk about this. It is sweet for sure, but it's not an overwhelming sweetness.
It's not.
It's a savory sweetness. It's almost smoky even because the chicken has been pulled. There's nutmeg that's in there as well. There's garlic. So it's a savory sweetness, and the bay leaf I think is helping draw out some of that stew-like flavor that we love. It's in there.
It's so good, and it's not that spicy. Even though we added the cayenne, it's not that spicy. It's a little bit in the back, but definitely the pomegranate seeds on top gives it a good texture contrast. You know, I'm so big on texture, and then the freshness of the parsley that we put on top. It's so delicious. It's sweet yet savory, and you kind of want those things together. It really balances everything out. This is amazing.
This is so good.
I think you need to try this.
You need to try this.
I definitely think you need to try this. I want you to make sure you look at all of our other cultural remixes as well. I think this is the first time we're doing something that's outside of our own culture, right?
I think
Besides the pizza. But before we've done the plantains and we've done the soup jumeau, so this is a Persian recipe that we're able to do. So this is awesome. I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoy it. Check out the rest of our videos and stay tuned for the next one. We'll see you then.
See you next time.